How's it going, guys? I just want to take a couple of minutes to talk about the Best Choice Products
Beginner HSS Electric Guitar Kit.
If you or somebody in your life is looking to become a musician, this is a great place to start. Whether you're strumming for the first time or just looking to cover a song, the right guitar can make all the difference in the world. So let's take a look at this thing together. So the guitar comes with a wide variety of adventurous colors. Music is about expressing yourself, and your guitar should reflect that. The kit comes fully loaded with a durable gig bag, perfect for taking your gear on the go and keeping your instrument safe, along with extra strings, a winding and cutting tool, and a full set of picks, and you have everything you need to hit the ground running. One of the coolest things about this guitar kit is this headphone amp. It comes with 10 effect presets, and you can also send the signals directly to your phone, so you can play along with whatever you're playing on your phone, or just listen to yourself on your phone as well. In case anyone's getting a little bit too loud, or we just want a little bit more privacy on our play, we have these over-the-ear headphones that plug directly into the amp. Versatility is key, and this guitar's 3-part pickup add that dynamic edge to your sound. And the humbucker at the bridge position offers a full-bodied sound, while the 2 single-coil pickups offer crisp clarity. And the 5-way switch can also blend tones for anything from warm blues to more aggressive rock and roll. Now let's talk about experimenting with our sounds. The whammy bar is key for those guitar players looking to get a little bit weird and creative with their sound. This guitar is what we would call a double cutaway body style, and it's completed with a solid maple neck and an incredibly well-crafted fretboard. From the humbuckers to the single coil pickups, the volume knobs, the 2-tone knobs, the 5-way switch, and the whammy bar, making this one of the best guitars for almost anyone to pick up and play. Pick up, plug in, and express yourself like never before, courtesy of Best Choice Products.